Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to activate home page in Salesforce. The home page provides us with a customizable dashboard that allows the user to access very important information and perform the various tasks. By activating a home page, we will deploy it on a Salesforce app where it will replace the default home page. Here, going to discuss the whole process, and we discuss to activate the home page in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we need to move to our developer account. So this is my Salesforce developer account, and here we enter the Lightning app builder in the quick find box, and here we can see the Lightning app builder link. Click on this link and it will redirect us to Lightning app builder page, and under this page we can see the list of the Lightning pages, home pages and the app pages, and here we select the home page. So we click on the edit button and we come to our Lightning app builder home page, and we want to activate this home page. So we click on the activation button and our activation home page window is pop up, and here we select the app and profile and click on the assign to app and profiles, and here we can see in this page our Lightning apps are shown. So select the app which you want to deploy this home page, and here we select the sales app and Lightning Bolt app, and then hit the next button, and in this we select the profile to whom we want to make this page visible. So you can select accordingly to your requirement. So here we select the all profiles and hit the next button. And in this we review the assignments, see the app and the profiles where our home page is shown, and hit the save button. Now go back to our home page and go to the app launcher, and I will show you the app in which we activate the home page. Click on the sales app and we can see that the home page is activated in this application and replace the default one. And if you want to edit this home page, so we'll click on the gear icon and click on the edit page, and you can also edit this home page. Replace the component from here, and we can pick another component and place the another component in this template. I hope that you have liked this video, and then please do like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the regular updates of upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video tutorial till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.